Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff. We're here with Guaranty in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I get to talk about a 2018 Quantum. A great coach. It's on the Mercedes chassis, and I look forward to telling you all about this rig. It's got a lot of great features. Here we are inside the Quantum. This is a full wall slide 24-foot Mercedes-Benz coach. It has sleeping for 3 positions or 6 people total. It's got a really beautiful bathroom in the back. It's a cherry tone wood. We've got the TV straight across from the booth dinette. Very good sized closet separating the dining room from the bedroom. Really nice layout. The bed folds over so that when it comes in, the slide comes in, you can still get back to the bathroom. We've got a good sized kitchen area with solid surface countertops, pull-out fixtures, 3,600 watt generator. It's got the rear stabilizers. There's so much about this coach for a little coach. On the front window, gosh, that, you know, where the children or the grandchildren, your friends sleep, it's got almost like a skylight that you can close off. Love the view at night. Imagine being out camping and looking at the stars through that window. That's a memory you just can't make go away forever and ever. Fantastic fans. This coach is pretty well loaded, like I said. Hi, I'm Roger. Thank you for looking at this vehicle with me. If you have any questions about this one or any of the others, gosh, give me a call. I'd be happy to tell you about it or all the other inventory we have on the lot. I'm Roger with Guaranty. Thank you. Have a great day.